The blue photon LED therapy device from Project eBeauty utilizes an LED photon method to treat a variety of skin conditions. Phototherapy works by using the natural healing power of light. Exposing the skin's surface to light activates the photoreceptors in the skin, while the skin cells absorb its energy. This is a safe, non-invasive way to treat skin conditions, such as wrinkles, spots, and it helps to remove freckles and tighten skin. The blue photon LEDs penetrate the skin approximately 8 to 10 millimeters. This will stimulate fiber cells and the production of collagen, reducing wrinkles and making the skin more elastic and smooth. It's great to treat fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes and forehead. Before using the device, you should charge it for 3 hours with the included USB charging cable and power adapter. Remove all jewelry and metal objects. Make sure to read the instruction manual to check if there are any contraindications. Clean your face with soap and water and dry. For best results, you can use a hyaluronic acid serum or cream on the areas that you will be treating. You should put on the protective eye goggles at this time. Press the on-off button to turn the unit on. Press the continuous mode for skin activation. This means the light is activated as the device touches your skin. After 10 minutes, the light will switch off automatically. Selecting pulse provides short pulses of light energy, which enhances the treatment. Always move the device upwards and not down. To tighten skin, move from the corner of the mouth toward the areas near the eyes. To pull up the sides of the mouth, slowly move from the corner of the mouth slightly inwards and upwards. To treat eczema and acne, use on the surrounding area and not on the exact area of the acne or eczema. This helps to aid in the skin's natural healing. To tighten the area under the chin, slowly move upwards from the chin to the bottom of the ear. Then lift the device off the skin and move from the chin to the corners of the mouth. For nose care, slowly move the device around the nose and on the bridge of your nose for 1 to 2 minutes. To treat bags under the eyes, slowly move from the corners of the eyes to the temples to the top of the neck. Lift the device and move from the chin to the top of the neck and down to the armpits. You can press on-off to turn the device off, or it will automatically turn off after 10 minutes. Keep in mind you should press the LED surface fully against the skin and not just the sides of it. After each use, disinfect the surface with 70% alcohol using a soft cloth and store it in a dry place. You should perform each treatment for 10 minutes 4 times a week. Once the goal is achieved, just use twice a week. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your blue photon LED therapy device.